this is Jessie from Matson. Today I will make a brief introduction of our machining factory.
To understand our factory better,
Let's go.
The area for receipt inspection.
Our quality team applies the PMI to check the chemical elements of the raw material. We use the special QR code for each item.
so we can track every process easily.
We use the SAP software to monitor our inventory.
Upon signature of our quality department, the warehouse team will take the qualified raw material to the warehouse and enter them in our SAP system.
Our inspection center is set up with a tensile stress machine and the ultrasonic tester. And this is our SELT-3 testing machine. And then this is the Brenner harness tester, and this one is the Rockwell harness tester. The tensile strength testing on the tensile stress machine. Our quality professional is conducting the harness testing.
Our quality professional is conducting the ultrasonic testing.
Our quality professional is conducting the final inspection. Our engineering will simulate the machining process by using software to verify the machining program. Our engineering will define proper fixtures and the tools for each operation. Our engineering team would study the drawings from our customers and create a process flow chart with proper raw material and machining process. We apply softwares like SolidWorks and AutoCAD to create the raw material drawings, specifying the nominal dimensions and tolerance.
Our machining professionals had been in the OEM machining industry for over 20 years, and they are experienced in the machining to ensure each operation is as per the drawing and the specification.
In the machining operation, our team would conduct self-inspection, random inspection, and cross-inspection by QC. With each process transition, our team would check the process card to make sure the quality of the previous process is under control before they proceed with the next operation. With some components with the requirements of the surface finish, our inspector will apply the surface finish tester to check the RA and RZ to make sure they meet the drawing specifications, and we can achieve the RA 0.2 for the surface finish.
In the final inspection phase, we apply CMM to check the positional dimensions to make sure they are within tolerance. The professional is conducting the penetration testing.
In the packing phase, we would pack the components with soft packing material as per engineering packing plan to ensure the components are well protected in the transportation.